Good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the continue problems. I did mention the last class 3 problems. Now fourth problem. Problem number 4. On 1st April 2010, on 1st April 2010, Anand Traders purchased a mission for rupees 2,60,000 and spent rupees 40,000 on its installation. Next, it is estimated that working life is 10 years. Its scrap value will be rupees 20,000. Books are closed on 31st March every year. Write necessary journal entries and prepare mission account for the first 3 years in the books of Anand Traders according to the straight line method. Okay, this is the problem. Now problem, on 1st April 2010, Anand Traders purchased a mission for rupees 2,60,000. Now this is a purchase price, and spent 40,000. This is installation charges. 2,60,000 plus 40 installation charges, total 3 lakhs original cost of the asset. Estimated that working life is 10 years and scrap value 20,000. Now books are closed 31st March every year. Now purchase of machine, like beginning month is nothing but middle of the month or quarter of the month started a mission purchase. Write an necessary journal entries, prepare missionary account. First 3 years, 2010, 2011, 2012. Clear? Now next, Anand trades according to straight line method. Now first prepare in the journal entries. Let's start the solution. First one, original cost of the mission. Original cost of the mission 2,60,000 plus installation charges total 3 lakhs. Okay. Next, estimated residual value or scrap value. Estimated residual value or scrap value 20,000. And next, estimated useful life of the mission or asset is equal to 10 years. Now first, annual depreciation. Annual depreciation is equal to original cost of the asset, original cost of the asset or mission minus estimated scrap value or residual value. Estimated residual value or scrap value by estimated useful life of the asset. Estimated useful life of the asset. Clear? Now first, original cost of the asset 2,60,000 plus installation charges 40,000, total original cost of the asset mission 3 lakhs minus estimated residual or scrap value of rupees 20,000 by how many years? 10 years. Calculation, 3 lakhs minus 20,000, 2 lakhs 80,000 by 10 is equal to 28,000. 28,000 is nothing but annual amount of depreciation. Annual amount of depreciation. Clear? Now yearly depreciation decreasing 28,000. Now how many years prepare the 3 years? 3 years. First year 28,000, second year 28,000, third year 28,000. Okay. Now this is the find out the annual depreciation. And next prepare the journal entries. Journal entries. Now journal entries format: date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Now you remember already I did mention the journal entries. Now 6 type of journal entries. Journal entries in the books of Anand Traders. In the books of Anand Traders. Anand Traders. Date, particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Date, particulars, LF number, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. Now first entry, purchased a machinery 2,60,000 plus 40,000, total 3 lakhs. Now journal entry, first one 2010 April 1st. Journal entry, asset account debtor to bank account. Now asset is nothing but machine. Machinery account debtor 3 lakhs to bank account 3 lakhs. Clear? Machinery purchased entry, machinery account debtor to bank account 3 lakhs. Narration being machinery, cost of machinery being cost of machinery and included installation charges and include installation charges. Okay, first entry. Now second entry, every year charges of depreciation. Every year. Now find out the annual depreciation every year 28,000. Now machinery 3 lakhs. First year depreciation 28,000. Now remaining balance 0, 0, 0, 2, 7, 2. 2,72,000. Now second year. Now this is straight line method. First year 28,000. Next every year same amount. Same 28,000. 0, 0, 0, 4, 4, 2. 2,44,000. Next third year again 28,000. 0, 0, 0, 14 minus 8, 6. Next 3 minus 2, 1. Next 2. After 3 years, the mission value 2,60,000. Now this is the answer. Clear? Now first 3 lakhs entry. Next depreciation entry. Provision of depreciation entry. Depreciation account debtor to asset account. Asset means mission. Now at ending, every year ending 31st March every year. Now 2011 31st March. 31st March entry. Depreciation account debtor. Now first year depreciation 28,000 to machinery account 28,000. Now second entry, depreciation charge entry, depreciation account to machinery account. Narration being depreciation charged on machinery. Depreciation charged on machinery. Okay, second entry. Next, third entry, depreciation transferred to the profit and loss account at the end of the accounting period. Every year depreciation transferred to the profit and loss account. Third entry. Now same date, transferred to the profit and loss account. Journal entry, profit and loss account debtor, shortcut P and L account. Profit and loss account debtor 28,000 to depreciation account 28,000. Clear? Now same entry, profit and loss account debtor 28,000 to depreciation account. Transfer entry, depreciation transfer to the profit and loss account. Narration being depreciation transfer to profit and loss account. Okay, clear? This is the first year. Purchased, depreciation, transfer. Now second year, again depreciation charged at the end of the accounting year 28,000. Now entry date same 2011 enough, next 2012 second entry 31st March, same depreciation entry, depreciation account debtor 28,000 to machinery account 28,000. Narration being depreciation charged on machinery. Clear? Next second year, depreciation transferred to again profit and loss account. Next fourth entry, same 2012 31st March entry, depreciation transfer to profit and loss account. Journal entry, profit and loss account debtor 28,000 to depreciation account 28,000. Narration being depreciation transfer to profit and loss account. Okay, this is the second year. Now third year again depreciation charged 28,000. Third year 2013 31st March depreciation entry. Third year the same depreciation account debtor 28,000 to machinery account 28,000. Narration being depreciation charged on machinery. Okay. Next last entry, same depreciation transferred to the profit and loss account. Third year 2013 March 31st entry, profit and loss account debtor 28,000 to depreciation account 28,000. Narration being depreciation transferred to profit and loss account. Being depreciation transferred to profit and loss account. Okay. Now this is the journal entries. Here once again, first machinery purchase entry, machinery account debtor to bank account. Second entry, depreciation charge. First year depreciation how much? Entry, depreciation account debtor to machinery account 28,000. Third entry, depreciation transferred to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account to depreciation account. Now this is the first year. Second year, again depreciation charged, same entry, depreciation account debtor to machinery account. Same second year transferred to profit and loss account to depreciation account. Now third year again depreciation charged, same amount, depreciation account to machinery account. Next third year transferred to profit and loss account depreciation, profit and loss account to depreciation account. Okay, that's it, entry. And next prepare the machinery account. Now very important, in exam point of view, only find out the machinery account. Now format is similar to the ledger format. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Missionary account of Anand Traders. Bracket straight line method. Missionary account of Anand Traders. Now format date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Debit side, 4 columns. Date, particulars, JF journal folio number, amount rupees. Next, date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees, credit side. Okay. Now first, Anand Traders purchased a mission for rupees 2,60,000. Now first entry 2011 April 1st. Here missionary account data to bank account. Amount 2,60,000 plus installation charges 40,000. Total 3 lakhs. Clear? At the end of the accounting period, every year charged depreciation. Now accounting